Awesome, stuck out in Keurboom, middle of nowhere. Graham from the Arch Rock guest house and self-catering unit. Lovely little spot at nice little, oh, it looks like different chalets and all little hideaway places all over the place. Keurboom's lovely little spot. I just found public toilets there. They're very unique. Own big sand ashtray inside the toilet with 2 toilet rolls somewhere. I'll take a picture later if I remember. Shame, yeah, no, it's Graham Arch Rock guest house and chalets. Get things on the go. Thank you very much.